guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to continue stitching cactuses and succulents. First, I will mark additional sections for different directions of satin stitch. I use pilot friction pen which disappear on heating. You can also mark directions for satin stitch. This way you can make a cactus which looks like a real one. So let's start stitching. I'm gonna use 3 strands of floss. Satin stitch is one of the easiest stitches. I'm going to fill all the sections using this color and changing only stitches directions. If you like my videos, please click thumbs up. I upload new videos with embroidery tutorials every week. And if you are first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to get a notification about my new videos. And now we're gonna switch to the light color to make a nice outlining. I use stem stitch to make a perfect border lines. If you like my cactuses and succulents design and want to stitch it by yourself, you can find it as a digital pattern or embroidery kit on my Etsy shop. Find me on Etsy as Embroidery Art by Nat or use the links below in the description. Now I'm going to make a cactus spines using cross stitch and some straight stitches. Thank you so much for watching my embroidery tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. In my next video I will show you how to stitch this big top cactus. So I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye!